working in teams. Welcome to our new video lesson. Today we are going to learn about working in teams. In this video, we are going to learn about the benefits of working in teams. Before we begin, let me ask you few simple questions about this. What are the extracurricular activities in your school?
Library, sports, crafts, drawing, etc. teacher.
Good. And how many of you participate in team activities? So, what kind of activities are there?
Games like kabaddi, cricket, volleyball, shuttle, caroms, chess, etc. teacher.
How do you feel being a part of your team while doing these activities?
We feel happy teacher. I feel like I am learning something new teacher.
Very good. Now, let us know more about this. What are these teams actually? How do we define them? A class like your class, full of students, is a team. A family is a team. A group of friends is a team. People visiting the same club is a team. People belonging to the same political party is a team. Seeing the above set of examples, can we say a team is a set of people having either same beliefs or ideologies or working towards achieving the same goal? Yes? Right. Good. Let us see some examples to know more about this. Your class. You all are students with different skills and abilities, but you all are here because you want to learn something new and achieve something. So, you all are a set of people working towards a same goal. Your class can be defined as a team. Your family. Everyone in your family plays a different role. Your father plays the role of bringing bread and butter to the table. Your mother plays the role of a homemaker. Your sibling plays a role of safeguarding you or following your footsteps. These roles vary for each family with each person, but ultimately, the common goal of all these peoples is the well being of your family. So, your family is a team with a common goal. In any stage of your life, you can define a team in the above way. Let us see some common experiences you might come across while working in teams. What happened when you were working together? You might have fun. Absolutely. When you play or do an activity with your friends, you will have a lot of fun. You might get confused about what to say. This might also happen. But when you listen to what others are telling, you will be able to get out of that confusion and achieve a clarity of thought. Some of you could come up with ideas and others just couldn't. True, this might also happen. But at the end, once you start speaking, you will come out of that fear and will be able to present new ideas yourself and express in a better way. Some of you might have better ideas than others. Yes, some of you will have better ideas than others, but nothing to worry. In the end, it will absolutely benefit the team and will benefit you when you implement these better ideas. Some of you might have funny ideas. True, some of you might have very funny ideas too. These kind of ideas will keep the things between your team members jovial and active. You might not be able to listen to each other properly. Some children might be discussing something else. Some children might not be interested. All these things could happen in teamwork. Let us discuss about another important question here. What do you gain from each other? You will get ideas from each other. As we discussed, you might also get funny ideas from others. You will understand what you should say. You will get to listen to better ideas. When other person is presenting a better idea, you will be able to listen to the idea and understand. Imagine doing all the activity on your own without a team, what might have happened? You will obviously take more time to finish the activity. It will be boring and difficult to finish the activity alone. You might not be able to come up with better ideas on your own. So, working in teams helped us to take less time for finishing an activity, to make the activity more fun rather than working alone. 100 different thoughts is better than a single thought. You will be able to pick up the best idea and present it when working in a team. Now, the real question arises. What are the benefits of belonging to other teams? The ones that you are already a part of. It gives us pleasure and fun, right? You can enjoy the company of people you like. You learn a great deal from your team members. You will gain a special identity for yourself. You will understand that you are different from others. You try to do things that shows you are different. Others get to know who you are, etc. So, children, it is very important to understand the benefits of working in teams. From your school life to your professional career, working in teams benefits you more than working alone. It is important to maintain good communication and relation between your team members. With that being said, I hope to see you soon in another video lesson. Thank you very much.